Hi guys, you're watching me stars. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm ready to give more information about Python programming language. Now I'm discussing about features of Python programming language. The following of the features of Python programming language: easy to learn, easy to read, easy to maintain, a broad standard library, free and open source, high level language, interpreted, interactive, object oriented, portability, extendable, embeddable, extensive libraries, databases, scalable, secure, robust, multi-threaded, garbage collection. First one, easy to learn. Python has relatively few keywords, simple structure and a clearly defined syntax. This allows us to pick up the language in a relatively short period of time. Second one, easy to read. Python code is just like simple English language and much more clearly defined and visible to the eyes. Third one, easy to maintain. Python's success is that its source code is easy to maintain. Fourth one, a broad standard library. One of the greatest strengths of Python is that the bulk of its library is very portable and cross-platform compatible on Unix and Windows and Macintosh. Fifth one, free and open source. Python is an example of an open source software. In simple terms, we can freely distribute copies of the software, read the source code, make changes to it and use pieces of it in new free program. Sixth one, high level language. Python was designed to be highly readable, which uses English keywords frequently, whereas other languages uses punctuations and it has fewer syntactical constructions than other languages. Seventh one, interpreted. This means that it is proceeded at runtime by the interpreter and we do not need to compile our program before executing it. This is similar to Perl and PHP. Interactive. This means that we can actually sit at a Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write our programs. Ninth one, object-oriented. This means that Python supports object-oriented techniques to write programs that encapsulates code within objects. Portability. Portability means cross-platform and due to its open source nature, Python has been ported to many platforms. Python can run on a wide variety of hardware platforms and has the same interface on all platforms. 11th one, extendable. We can add low-level modules to the Python interpreter. These modules enables programmers to add to or to customize their tools to be more efficient. 12th one, embeddable. We can embed Python in our programs written in other languages like C or C++ to give scripting capabilities to the program users. Next one, extensive libraries. The Python standard library is huge, so it can help us with regular expressions, documentation, generation, unit testing, threading databases, web browsers, CGI, Common Gateway Interface, FTP, File Transfer Protocol, email, XML, extensible, markup language, HTML, hypertext markup language, etc. Databases. Python provides interfaces to all major commercial databases available today. Scalable. Scalable means it provides a better structure and support for large programs than shell scripting. Next one, secure. The Python language environment is secure from tempering modules can be distributed to prevent altering source code. Apart from this additional security, checks can be easily added to implement additional security features. Next one, robust. Python programs cannot manipulate memory directly. Moreover, errors are raised as exceptions that can be catched and handled by the program code. For every syntactical mistake, a simple and easy to interrupt message is displayed. All these things makes the language robust. Next one, multi-threaded. Python supports multi-threading, that is executing more than one process of a program simultaneously. It also allows programmers to perform process management tasks. Next one and last one, garbage collection. The Python runtime environment handles garbage collection of all Python objects. For this, a reference counter is maintained to ensure that no object that is currently used is deleted. Thank you. For more videos, please subscribe us.